Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Gbegiri soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of black-eyed peas, 2 to 4 tablespoons of palm oil, and 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish. Don't forget 1 stock cube, 1 tablespoon of low-cost beans, and salt to taste. The very first step is to peel your beans, which can be done quickly with a blender or by hand. Now, let's get those beans perfectly soft. Place your peeled beans into a pot and add about 4 to 6 cups of water, ensuring they are well covered. Cook them until they are incredibly tender and mushy. This usually takes around 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes on a stovetop. If you have a pressure cooker, you can speed this up to about 25 minutes, making the process much quicker and easier. Once your beans are cooked and slightly cooled, it's time to create that signature velvety texture. Carefully transfer the soft beans to a blender, adding a little water if necessary to aid the process. Blend until you achieve a perfectly smooth puree. If you desire an exceptionally fine consistency, you can pass the blended mixture through a sieve to remove any remaining tiny bean skins. A good quality blender often makes this extra step unnecessary. For the grand finale, return your smooth bean puree to the pot over low heat. Stir in 2 to 4 tablespoons of palm oil, which gives Gbegiri its beautiful color. Now, add 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish, 1 stock cube, and 1 tablespoon of low-cost beans for that authentic flavor. Season with salt to your taste, then simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Your rich, flavorful Gbegiri soup is ready to be enjoyed, traditionally served hot with amala or ewedu.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.